first full work week of 2026 is over, and the landscape just shifted violently. We saw the biggest partnership in mobile history, Meta officially killing the Metaverse to feed the AI beast, and Elon Musk filing a lawsuit with a number so big it barely looks real.
Plus, OpenAI is finally putting ads inside ChatGPT, Google is making vertical AI video actually cinematic, and Sam Altman is investing in ultrasound brain chips.
I'm Aiden.
And I'm Aria. This is the AI Weekly Digest. Let's start the timeline.
Monday started with a seismic shift in the mobile wars. Apple and Google officially signed a multi-year partnership. The deal is simple. The next generation of Siri will be powered by Google Gemini.
This is a massive win for Alphabet. Investors immediately pushed Google's valuation toward the $4 trillion mark. For users, it means Siri might finally stop being a joke. But it also raises huge antitrust questions. If Apple and Google are on the same team, who is left to compete?
On Tuesday, Meta made a brutal decision. Reports confirmed they're cutting jobs in their Reality Labs division, the group that was supposed to build the Metaverse. Where is that money going? Nuclear power. Meta launched the Meta Compute initiative, targeting hundreds of gigawatts to feed their AI superclusters.
Mark Zuckerberg is basically trading VR headsets for reactors. At the same time, Anthropic made a move on your doctor's office. They released Claude for healthcare with full HIPAA compliance and launched Cowork, a tool that lets non-coders build complex AI agents. You can now hire a digital employee without writing a line of code.
Wednesday brought the geopolitical hammer down. China's customs agents blocked Nvidia's H200 chips at the border. Sources say Beijing is reviewing the hardware under new sovereign AI safety standards. It's a soft ban for now, but it's going to hurt Nvidia's business in Asia.
While the chip war heated up, Google courted the creators. They released VO 3.1, and the headline feature is native vertical video with 4K upscaling. In plain English, AI video is finally ready for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, without ugly crops or blur. At the same time, PixVerse dropped its R1 model, claiming real-time video generation. The delay is basically gone.
Thursday is when things got weird. OpenAI led a $252 million investment into a stealth startup called Merge Labs.
This is Sam Altman's bet on brain-computer interfaces. Unlike Neuralink, Merge Labs wants to use ultrasound to read and write to the brain without surgery. The goal is high-bandwidth communication between humans and AI. It's ambitious, but the privacy implications of writing to a human brain are, let's say, massive.
On Friday, the free ride ended. OpenAI announced they're testing ads in ChatGPT. If you're on the free or Go plans, expect sponsored results. Analysts warn this could push some users toward competitors, but the reality is simple. Running frontier models is insanely expensive and the bills are due.
To balance that out, the industry actually did something useful. Major players came together to launch Open Responses, a unified interface standard for large language models. That makes it much easier for developers to switch between OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google without rewriting their apps. And Google open-sourced TranslateGemma, a 55-language translation model that pushes us closer to real-time universal translation.
And then the weekend exploded. Elon Musk filed a new legal motion seeking $134 billion in damages from OpenAI and Microsoft.
He's accusing them of unfair competition and breaking their original non-profit mission. $134 billion is enough to buy a blue-chip semiconductor company outright. OpenAI and Microsoft have called the claims baseless, but the trial set for April is already being framed as the tech lawsuit of the decade.
So to recap, Apple and Google just got married, Meta is going nuclear, your brain is the next interface, and Elon Musk wants a refund on OpenAI.
2 weeks into 2026, the rules are already changing. We'll be here next week to keep you on track. I'm Aria.
And I'm Aiden. Thanks for listening.